Good morning everyone. I am welcoming all the students of class 2. So today we are going to start English grammar class. Those who have English grammar book, you can take out the English grammar book. Yesterday we have finished chapter 5. So I am going to start chapter 6. In chapter 5 we have finished noun. Okay, so today I am going to start chapter 6, page number 22. In chapter 6 you can see one and many, एक और एक से ज़्यादा, मतलब singular and plural, right? So one means singular and many means plural. You can take out page number 22. Okay? One means singular and many means plural. एक मतलब one means singular, एक मतलब singular and एक से ज़्यादा मतलब plural. A thing which is one in number is said to be singular. A thing which is one in number, like there is one ball. So this is singular, right? So a thing which is many in number is said to be plural. There are so many stars, so this is plural, like this, okay? So singular means one and plural means many. Singular का मतलब क्या है? एक, and plural का मतलब एक से ज़्यादा, okay? So look at the given pictures and learn about singular and plural. यहाँ पर pictures दिया है, यहाँ पर आप examples के साथ दिया है. You can see there are some examples. Singular means one star. ये क्या है? एक ही star है. So this is singular. There are so many stars. यहाँ बहुत सारा stars है. So ये क्या है? Plural. This is singular. This is singular and this is plural. Okay, like this. There are so many stars, so we can say this is plural. And there are only one star, so this is singular. So, ball. यहाँ पर भी एक ही ball है, so this is singular. And this is, there are so many balls, so this is plural, like this. Okay. In next page, you can see there. If a noun ends in s, ss, x, o, sh or ch, its plural is formed by adding es. Whenever word ends with s, ss, x or o, sh, ch, कभी भी आपका word last end में s, ss, x, o, sh और ch से end होता है, कभी भी. Next. So, उसमें हम लोग क्या यूज करेंगे प्लूरल में? Whenever we have to make plural, so what we have to use? es. Okay, like this. bus, 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 buses. Okay, like bench. In singular, you can see in last ch. So bench, es. In plural, we have to use es. Okay, so if a noun ends in y, whenever nouns end in y, we have to use ies. y के बदले में हम लोग को क्या डालना होगा? ies, plural बनाने के लिए. Okay, like city, city, cities, cities. Whenever words end with y in singular, so we have to convert in plural. What we have to use? ies. So you can see copy, copy, copies, copies in plural. Okay. Lady, 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 ladies, ladies. Story, story, stories, stories. Like this, you have to convert in plural. Whenever words end with s, ss, x, o, sh or ch, we have to use es. कभी भी सिंगुलर में आपको ch, sh और ss दिखाई देगा, तो आपको किस पे कन्वर्ट करना होगा? We have to use es in plural. Okay? Whenever words end with y, कोई भी वर्ड एंड होता है लास्ट में y दिखता है तो क्या करना आएगा, क्या हम लोग को क्या लिखना होगा, CITIES। y के बदले में हम लोगों को क्या लिखना होगा, IES। ओके, सो नेक्स्ट, if a noun ends in y and there is a vowel before y, the plural is formed by adding s to it whenever, जब, अब देखिए यहाँ पर vowel से there are no vowels, right? So whenever in y के आगे vowel का word होगा, vowel का letters होगा, तो आपको वो y चेंज नहीं करना है। So you have to write only s, like DAY. A is a vowel letter. So this word cannot be changed. Okay, ये word को हम लोग चेंज नहीं करेंगे, इसके ऊपर क्या डाल देंगे, s. Okay, BOY. O क्या है, O is a vowel. So BOYS. Whenever words फर्स्ट लेटर y के आगे आपको O, E, I और E दिखाई देगा, तो हम लोगों को क्या करना, दे आर vowels. We cannot change vowels. Okay, so we have to write BOYS, boys, like this. E is a vowel. y के आगे E है, तो हम लोग को ये चेंज नहीं करना है y. So KEY S keys, because there is a vowel before y, so we cannot change y. Okay, so WAY, A is a vowel, WAYS, ways. ऐसे करके आप लोग vowels को क्या करना है, vowels जहाँ भी होगा y के आगे, so we don't have to change y, we only have to write s. So in next you can see, if a noun ends in f or fe, sometimes the plural is formed by changing f or fe into vs. Whenever words end with f or fe, कभी भी word last word THIF, thief, so we have to write f और fe के बदले में क्या लिखना है, VES. इसके बदले में क्या लिखना है, VES, like THIEF, thief, THIVES, thieves, ये word VES, we have to use VES. Okay, in next page you can see there, in next page, note there are some nouns ending with f or ef, but they are taken only as to form plural. Whenever words end with f or ef, हम लोग को क्या यूज करना होगा, we have to use s. We don't have to use VES, we don't have to change, we don't have to use IES. Okay, we only have to use s. PROF, proof, PROFS, proof, ROOF, roof, ROOFS, roofs, CHIF, chief, CHIF, chiefs, photo, 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 PHOTO is photos. Next, the plural of some nouns are formed in an irregular manner. The singular of the plural of some nouns are formed in an irregular manner. कोई word होता है plural word में, so वो irregular form में होता है, irregular manner में. So we have to write in singular word TOOTH, tooth. So in plural what we have to do, irregular manner, TEETH, teeth. GOOS, goes, GEES, geese. MAN, man, MEN, men. FOOT, foot, FEET, foot, feet, like this. Okay, whenever the plural of some nouns are formed in an irregular manner, so what we have to do, teeth, TEETS, teeth, TOOTH, tooth, like this. Okay, so what I have told you, don't be confused. Whenever nouns end with CH, SH or X, we have to use ES. जब भी आपका लास्ट वर्ड में S, X, H, CH यूज होता है, तो आपको प्लूरल में क्या यूज करना है, ES. ES, this word you have to use. And next step, whenever Y the words end with Y, C-I-T-Y, city. So what we have to use? C-I-T-I-E-S, E-I-E-S we have to use, okay, in plural. Now next, Y, and there is a vowel before Y. कहीं भी आपको vowel Y के आगे vowel दिखता है तो हम लोग वो Y change नहीं कर. We cannot change Y. Okay, so we have to use S because there is a vowel. Because of the vowel, we cannot change the Y. Okay. Next, if a noun ends in F or FE, sometimes the plural is formed by changing F or FE into VS. Whenever you can see F or FE, we have to use VES. Okay. And next, there are some nouns ending F or EF, but they are taken only S. कभी भी आपको वर्ड में F और EF यूज होता है तो आपको क्या यूज करना है? Only S, not ES, no VS, no IES or no ES. Okay, you have to use only S. So now I am going to start exercise work. You can see there exercise work. Assignment work. Tick the correct option. The plural of a book is plural book में क्या कौन सा plural होता है? BOOKS books, BOOKS books, BOOKI bookie. So what is the plural of the books? BOOKS books. This is a plural. This is the correct plural of a book. The plural of a match is MATH match, MATCH matches, MATX match. So you can see here the plural of a match MATCH. Last word में क्या है? CH. So what we have to think? MATCHES. Whenever CH, you can see last word CH, we have to use ES. So this is so easy. The singular of a candies is singular of a candies. This is a plural word. We have to find singular word. Okay. CANDY candy, CANDI candy, CANDIE candy. So IES. There is IES, right? So what will be the correct spelling? CANDY. Because of Y, we are using IES. Y के बदले में हम लोग क्या यूज कर रहे हैं प्लूरल में? IES. So CANDY, candy is a singular word. Like this you have to find, okay? The singular of a teeth is singular of a teeth, TEET, teeth, TOOTH, 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 tooth. So this is a plural word, TEETH, teeth. This is not a irregular manner. So tooth का है singular TOOTH, tooth. This is a singular manner. Okay. Now next you can see I have done this work. Write the plural of the following words. आपको यहाँ पर plural लिखना है. Plural of the following words. HERO as heroes. Like this. BOY boy. ARM arm. अब यहाँ पर क्या है? यहाँ पर है आपका ARM. So MS arms. अब यहाँ पर Y है. What you will do? Y के बदले में यहाँ पर क्या है? You can see this is a vowel word. So we cannot change the word. We cannot change Y. So because of the vowel, we have to write BOY as boys. BELL bell. BELLS bells. Benches. Now BENCH. CH is a singular. So CH जहाँ यूज होगा हम लोगों को क्या करना है? ES. BENCHES benches. Like this we have to add some word. Okay, some letters. So this is your homework. This is also your homework. Exercise A and exercise B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 you have to fill up the box. In next page you can see there. In next page there are some singular word, there are some plural word we have to write in singular. हम लोग यहाँ पर singular plural word है, हम लोग को convert करना है singular में. This is so easy. This is plural C-O-C-K, cook. You have to cut it. G-I-R-L, girl. H-E-N, hen. K-E-Y, key. L-E-G, leg. D-O-L-L, doll. H-A-T, hat. K-I-N-G, king. L-O-C-K, lock. G-O-A-T, goat. Like this, I have converted into singular word. ये plural word में दिया है, मैंने किस में बनाया है? यहाँ पर plural word है और मैंने convert किया है singular word में. Okay? So look at the pictures and write S for singular and P for plural. यहाँ पर कितना hen है? How many hens are there? There are only one hen. So what we have to write? There are only one cook. So this is S, singular. ये एक ही है. How many cars are there? There are only one car. So this is singular. Ice cream कितना है? एक है. So S, singular word. So there are so many mangoes. So what we have to do? What we have to write? This is a plural. There are one horse. So S. There are so many balls. So P. Like this you have to do. Okay. This is also your homework. This is also your homework. I have done exercise A, exercise B and exercise C. A, B, C, D. You have to do this in your book and in your copy also. Okay. So I think we have finished the chapter. Tomorrow we will start next chapter, new chapter, chapter 7. We have finished singular, plural. What is singular? What is plural? I think you have understood the chapter. So for today, this much. Thank you. Have a good day.